Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mid-Atlantic Misfit TV. I'm your Mid-Atlantic mouthpiece, Thomas Roberts, and this episode takes place on Christmas night as All Pro Wrestling presents Christmas in Dixie 2, the Mike Duggar Memorial Show. You'll see Yela Man take on Kill Switch in this singles match. You see Yela Man making his return to All Pro Wrestling. And this is the big debut of Kill Switch. Both of these men, BWC Boogie's Wrestling Camp students, looking to make a name for themselves right here in Bristol, Tennessee, live at the VIP on Christmas night for All Pro Wrestling, Christmas in Dixie 2, the Mike Duggar Memorial Show. Kill Switch now entering the ring. And again, this is his big debut matchup. He's trying to get the fans behind him. This match was the match that kicked off the show. Both the Yela Man and Kill Switch's last match of 2021. See the Yela Man here taking his time. Kill Switch. He looks ready to go. Yela Man playing head games with Kill Switch. Collar elbow tie up. Kill Switch just shoves Yela down hard to the mat. Yela Man says Kill Switch pulled his hair. He didn't look like he has much hair to pull. The official telling Yela Man, yeah, I'll look out for it, but he's not too worried. Oh, Yela Man with a dirty tactic. Thumb to the eye. Big right hand. Another big right hand. Kill Switch swings and misses. Yela Man drop kick. He likes to call it one hell of a drop kick. And I admit it is one hell of a drop kick as Yela Man goes for the line. Kill Switch hits the ropes. Huge spear. Just cutting the Yela Man in half. Now he's on top, ground and pound. Yela Man takes a powder. He says he needs a timeout. But again, there's no timeouts in wrestling. He has to the count of 10 to get back in that ring. Kill Switch was right after him. Yela Man slides in the ring and cuts Kill Switch off. Throws him in the corner. Big European uppercut. Rolls through the snapmare. Oh. Single leg drop kick. Right into the face of Kill Switch. It could be over with. 1, 2 count. Yellow Man and the referee having words. See Kill Switch getting back up to his feet. Couple shots to the midsection, but the Yellow Man cuts him off with a knee, followed by another big right hand. Irish whip. He ducks down, but Kill Switch one step ahead of Yellow Man with a sunset flip. But Yellow Man knows his ring, so he grabs the rope. Club right across the shoulder blades of Kill Switch. Yellow Man throwing him in that corner with that hard Irish whip. Knife edge chop. Another big right hand. Now he's choking him in the corner. And if the Yellow Man's not careful, the ref's gonna have no other choice but to disqualify him. But Yellow Man taking advantage of this rookie referee, but Kill Switch firing back. Big right hand of his own, followed by another one. Huge right hook taking Yellow Man off his feet. Yellow Man rolls him up. Kill Switch decides to go with that side headlock. Yellow Man working his way back up to his feet. Breaks out of it. Kill Switch with a huge shoulder tackle. But Yellow Man kicks out at 2. Back to that side headlock. Yellow Man just breaks his eyes. And he's so quick, I don't think the referee sees him with all of his illegal activities. He sets him up. He's going for the suplex. The Kill Switch is a little bit bigger than the Yellow Man, and he's not going for it. Big reversal. Kill Switch has the Yellow Man down as he just powers over him with his own suplex, and he takes too long to get the cover. Both men are slow getting to their feet, but Yellow Man goes with his chop to the throat. Now he took off his bandana, he's choking him. And the referee really getting involved now. Yellow Man doesn't care. He goes with that sleeper hold. He's looking to put Kill Switch out. And he could very well do it right here. Uh-oh. Kill Switch. He's still in this matchup. He's working back up to his feet. Jawbreaker. He gets back up to his feet. Hits the ropes. Clothesline. Back elbow. Kill Switch gaining some steam. Kill Switch club. This could be over with right here. Oh my goodness. Kill Switch with a big move. Trying to put the Yellow Man away. Yellow Man kicks out at 2.5. Maybe 2 3/4. Kill Switch better hurry up and get to his feet. But both men has taken a beating in this matchup. Kill Switch with a little bit of sleeper hold of his own. Yellow Man just gets the referee's attention enough so he doesn't see the low blow. Street sweeper. 1, 2, 3 and the Yela Man steals this victory here in Bristol, Tennessee for Christmas in Dixie, the Mike Duggar Memorial Show, as the Yela Man returns to All Pro Wrestling. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your Mid-Atlantic mouthpiece, Thomas Roberts, and this is Mid-Atlantic Misfit TV.